Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, UX with Ali. This is my second video on UX design. The first was just me kind of talking about my journey getting into UX. So this is going to be the first informative video and I'm really excited about it. And I'm actually going to be doing a mini series that goes over UX design process and basically the different steps and different essential pieces that you need to know in order to have a successful and well done UX project. Today, what we're going to be talking about is UX research and UX design. And the three different methods are discovery, primary, and secondary. The goal of UX research is to put the user at the center of the design decision, and this is done by gathering data about how users interact. By leveraging all three types of UX research, UX designers can create products that are user-effective and user-friendly. In a nutshell, user research is essential for understanding the users and how to better meet their needs. So we'll start with talking about discovery research. Discovery is all about delving into the problem space and just figuring out what some of those user needs and problems are that are there to be solved. And it's really just finding ideas. Sometimes it can be done during brainstorming in the UX design process, which is where the team gets together, or if you're a sole UX designer, then you start brainstorming ideas for how to solve a certain problem. Having this discovery research process is what will give you the key to creating more innovative solutions that fit the user's needs. After the discovery research is done, this is when you'll start doing further research with actual users, whether it's primary research or secondary. And primary is when you're getting information directly from users or potential users. This could be interviews, surveys, usability testing. It's really what's going to give you direct insight with potential customers. Depending on the type of product you're building, you want to make sure that you are gaining research from a relevant audience as much as possible. There's different ways to find primary groups of users to do this primary research on. There are social media groups. Some people do hallway testing where you go to an area where there's going to be members of your target audience, and they'll usually offer incentives to have people fill out a survey or do a quick interview. You could call friends or family if needed. That's what I did when I was doing my projects for my UX design portfolio during my course. I would just interview friends and family to kind of get the hang of it, and I felt more comfortable getting practice that way. So that's a great way to get primary research in certain situations. And yeah, get creative. The method that I've most recently used that I've really been loving is using Google Forms. This has allowed me to post surveys wherever you have that you can share a link with people that would be suitable users to fill out the survey for your research, and that would be good to go. So then, of course, there is secondary research, and if you have a hard time getting access to users directly through interviews or surveys, then secondary research is a great way to go in order to get more insights to build a more user-friendly, empathetic, accessible product. And secondary research is just analyzing existing data. This can include market research and analysis, data reports, user analytics, industry reports, whatever you can get your hands on that is going to be helpful information and that is information that's accurate and well done, especially. You can also do a competitor analysis where if you know the type of app you're building or type of website you're building, you can look at your competitors and see what's working for them, look at their trend reports, and use that to kind of build a good secondary research base in order to have good information to go on for building your own product. In a nutshell, user research is essential for understanding the users and how to better meet their needs. All right, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this short video on the different UX research methods, and subscribe and stay tuned for upcoming videos going through the different pieces of the design process. Thank you for coming and have a great day. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one